In this quick start tutorial, we'll be learning how to create an audio track and to set it up for recording. To create a new track, select Track and then New. This is the session that we created in our last tutorial. The New Track dialog window opens. Here we can choose how many new tracks we'd like to create. I'm going to leave it at 1. Here we have two options for audio format, mono and stereo for audio tracks. Let's leave it at mono because I'll be using a mono recording source in later chapters. If you've got a mono input, choose mono. If you've got a stereo source, choose stereo. Remember that a mono instrument, like your voice through a mic, uses a single input slot, whereas a stereo instrument uses 2. For example, if you've got 2 outputs from your keyboard. Creating a stereo track won't turn the mono into a stereo. If a mono instrument is recording on a stereo track, one of the sides of the stereo track will just show no signal. If you're recording your voice or instruments, you choose Audio Track from this drop-down menu. Pro Tools lets you create one of 5 different types of tracks: audio track, aux input, master fader, MIDI track, and an instrument track. We'll be explaining these later. Samples and ticks options don't affect the quality of your recording. If you'd like to add another row, simply click on the plus sign. And when you're done configuring your new track, click Create. Our new track appears in the Edit window. It's named by default Audio 1. Let's open our Mix window, Window, Mix. The shortcut for that is Command equal on a Mac or Control equal in Windows. Let's click on the Audio Path Input selector. We need to select our audio input. We're going to choose whichever input is enabled in our audio interface. I've got Mono 1 enabled. If you're using an empowered interface, Pro Tools will automatically have sorted this out for you. Now let's leave the levels as is. Don't touch the volume fader down here at all. This affects the output, not your input. But do take a minute to set your levels from your instrument to your audio interface. And this concludes our quick start tutorial on creating and setting up an audio track in Pro Tools.